Understanding the type code for the MSK S synchronous servo motor. The MSK030B. MSK denotes the product type as a Indradyne servo motor. 030 denotes a motor size of 030. B denotes a motor length of B. 0900 denotes the winding code for the motor is 0900. NN denotes the motor relies on natural convection for cooling. M1 denotes several characteristics about the MSK encoder. Its interface uses hyperface, its resolution is 128 signal periods, it relies on optical technology, and it turns via multi-turn absolute. U denotes the encoder connector is rotatable, up to 240 degrees. G denotes the presence of plain shaft. 0 denotes the lack of a holding brake. NNNN indicates this motor has a standard design. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all MSK repair and refurbishments.